Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 Personalize settings not opening without create new user account. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand classes. Click MS-settings. Open default string. Change value data to URL colon, MS-settings. Create new string. Type URL space, protocol. Delete all keys under MS-settings. Close and exit Registry editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.